Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is Shailesh Fulsunge, father of a superboy, a hotelier since 1988, Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Mellon Hospitality Private Limited. We've been talking about various subjects. I've been mostly talking on hotel projects. We have completed the hotel projects. More than 140 plus videos are already loaded on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk on the same lines but licenses and NOCs. So I'm going to read out from my book Why Owners Fail in Hotel Business. Why Owners Fail in Hotel Business. This book, chapter number 10, is having the list of licenses and NOCs required for your project. The list is quite vast, but however it's an indicative list. This one has to pick and choose as per your project. So in this scenario, your architects and your hotel consultants will guide you which are the requirements, which are the NOCs or licenses would be required for your project. So first and foremost, the important license is Pollution Control Board license. Then we talk about the Environment Clearance license. We talk about CRZ, the Coastal Regulatory Zone. This particular license is required for properties which are close to the beaches and close to the water bodies, natural water bodies, where the coastal zone department comes into picture. I have personally dealt with it in Goa when I was doing a project. Construction license for the commencement certificate. Obviously, when you are going to develop a property, you should have a commencement certificate from the government. Electrical supply licenses, the permission from the concerned board. The water connection permission is required. A certificate of registration for contract labor. It comes under R&A Act of 1970. Health department, very important, because when you are doing a project, when you are putting the labor the labor zone, you have to have the health department certificate. The medicals of your labor has to be done. The NOC of storage for use of class B 20 KL petroleum products. When you're doing a hotel or a resort, mostly you require to preserve diesel in your property for your various activities, for your generator and things like that, which runs on the diesel. So you store in a tank for which you require a class B license 20 kl. So in Goa, when I was doing a property, I was personally licensing into it. Explosive license, NOC for barbed wire and compound wall. Fire NOC, NOC for storm water drain, NOC for hydraulic engineer. Approval for parking bay, very important. Certificate of export import code, EXIM code. What happens is when you are going to import any goods or any furniture, fixtures or equipment from abroad, those days lot of hotels were getting products from from China. So however now I don't think we will be dealing with them. But if you are going to import anything, you require a EXIM code. EPCG license. Okay. Let us talk about the approval of sewage line. Swimming pool license is required. QMPFA license for your bar and bakery. Shop and establishment license. Health NOC. License for laundry. Department of Telecommunication license. Factory and building license. Generator set license, EPPEL license, municipal licenses, lodging and boarding, gradation certificate, neon and glow sign certificate and license, police license, police station certificate, license for internet connections in India, premises license is important, excise license for bar FL3 license and permit room, traffic department NOC, hotel classification, tourism signboard, weights and measures, shop and establishment, goods and service tax registration, security registration, local police station NOC. Now, this we have briefly finished with major licenses. There are sub licenses required, which can be taken care by your own consultants. I have discussed broadly. Now we talk on consultants on board, concepts and design architect, structural consultants, license architect, which is the municipal architect we call, PF and tax consultant, licensing consultant, insurance consultant, explosive consultant, labor consultant, security contractor, in-house doctor or doctor on call. So these are the various things which are required for your project to be completed. This is there in my book, Why Owners Fail in Hotel Business, which is easily available at a discounted rate on Amazon. Kindly go through it and you will get a lot of things to learn if you buy this book. With this, I am summing up with my video. So I try to finish my video within 5 to 6 minutes. So this we have completed 6 minutes. Like and share my video. Press the bell icon to subscribe my channel. You will get more than 140 videos already loaded on my YouTube. And if you have any concern, please put in a message. I'm available for a 15 minutes free call. Let's discuss, let's chat, and I'm there to help you out. Till then, take care of yourself. God bless you. Bye.